Hello everyone, good morning. I managed to get some really nice curls. Get this. So I managed to get these like nice curls, but I hope they stay longer. I used curl cream, but I did not use any gel or like casting to keep them up. But I hope they stay. So yeah, now I'm gonna get ready and we have a Bhoomi Puja for the new construction. So I'm looking somewhere. Okay, I think I should be looking here. I'm vlogging with my phone and not my usual camera. So yeah, little confusing. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna get ready now. And I just wanted to like show you guys my view. I hope it's not gotten boring yet. But yeah, mornings it's so pleasant to sit here. And yeah, I'll tell you a little bit more about the Bhoomi Puja. So we have a new construction starting in Miyapur. So this is the Bhoomi Puja for that. There'll be 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs. It's by Eco Build. You know this. It's my family business. It's my brother and my dad. So yeah, if you guys are interested, more details will be in the description box. And also, like if you want the brochure and if you want to see the brochure and the plan and everything, then you can find the contact details. Now let me show you my view. My view, you guys, so green and beautiful. Ignore the wire, that's my max. And those are the lights that I put up because it's been so chilly and cozy. But yeah, that's my view right there. And these curtains are from Mintra and Nursing. Check out my home tour video. You will find the links for everything in that. So I'm just making myself some green tea. So after that, I'll just sit for some time and then freshen up. What I've been trying lately, this is the mint melody. It has a hint of mint and basically it's green tea. And then there's the usual Lipton green tea with honey and lemon. This is nice too. It already has honey and lemon, and I also add honey and lemon for either of these. Just boiling up some water. And this is my cup from West Side. Okay, the background noise you hear is the washing machine running. So yeah, this is my cup, which I thought was pretty cute. Let's go. I'm gonna go have a shower and quickly get ready before my mom gets mad at me. Yeah, I have to wake up Yasha as well. So yes, I'm gonna run now. So I'm just warming up some water for the pedicure and we'll get started. So tomorrow I have an event, so I quickly want to get this done. I already my face feels fine, so I'm not getting a cleanup done. But otherwise they had some really interesting things. I think there's some pineapple cleanup. Maybe next time I'll try that. But my foot have been really bad. Like after I moved to the new house for a few days, I couldn't find my footwear and yeah, the dust and all that stuff. And then there was Bhoomi Puja, like I was walking around barefoot. So I really need a pedicure and manicure. Just I found a really good combo, so I'm going for that. And then a relaxing hair massage because I've had a long week. Now yeah, let's go. So I have back-to-back weddings and I'm also going on a trip to the village. So I booked myself a pedicure and manicure package and also head massage because I've had a tiring week and I didn't have the time to go to the salon also. So I booked myself Urbancompany Services Ride at Home. So basically, I found a nice package also, which is like super affordable, and I really, really needed this because look at my feet. Oh my god. So basically, yeah, there was a combo offer. They have other services like bubble, a pedicure, and like some other services as well, but I booked myself a combo, which was actually pretty affordable. Baby Bella actually wants to come join us. Double kavala. I was wondering if it'll get messy at home and how it will be actually getting a service done at home. But then it was mess free. And these beauticians are certified and verified, so basically they come well equipped with full-fledged salon setups and tools, towels and everything, and they sanitize everything. They're like super hygienic, and also they're like certified and they're very professional. And also I think we tend to worry about the quality of services when compared to salon, but actually the quality of services is also really good, and there's no waiting time or like running around to the salon and making an appointment and all that stuff. And the best part is that the prices are amazing. So the I got a package which is like super affordable, and because it's a wedding season, they also have really good new launches. There's new facials, especially the wine facial, soundarya facial, and something for festive glow. And they also have like roll-on waxing, and they were like really interesting services even for cleanup and pedicure and manicure. So yeah, we can try out all those. And I have tried their professional hair styling services before when I had a wedding to attend, and that one's pretty good too. I had a very good experience with that as well. I just finished the head massage also. I'm done with all the services, and I cannot tell you how relaxing the head massage was. When you see the clips itself, you'll understand. I got threading also done, by the way. Yeah, finally after so long. I don't think I got them done during the lockdown and after. So during my brother's wedding is when I got them done. So it's been that long. I've been trimming them. I've been like using something at home to trim them, but I haven't gotten threading done. You know how much of a change there is whenever you get threading done. So anyway, upper lip and threading and pedicure, manicure and hair massage. And I painted my nails this pink. I asked her to paint them in a light color for hands. I'll show you guys in a daylight better. So now I'll just keep it like this for some time, steam, and then have a shower. Put up some Christmas music and some candles and light, and I'm having like some warm coffee with a little bit of brownie and cookies. Just it's so nice and cold outside, so I felt like in this chilly weather I wanted to just sit down and relax with this. So that's what I'm doing. Just after the spa and the nice foot massage that I had, I just wanted to chill and relax. So I had a shower and lit up some candles, put these lights up. Hello, good morning, you guys. I had such a good sleep. I can't tell you guys. I usually also get my hair massage done sometimes whenever I'm tired or basically when I have headache. But this was even better. Like not during the massage, it was good and all. But after that, I was like feeling so sleepy, and because I was so tired, like I had a very tiring week, and last week also I wasn't that well, so it was amazing. I had some really good night's sleep. I think it was also the oil that she used along with the massage strokes which you saw. I think the oil also, I think it had a little bit of that camphor sort of a smell. I'm not sure. I did really ask her what oil it was. Not very sure, but it was super relaxing. Amazing, you guys. Look at my feet, okay? I will show you guys how pretty they look. Look. Feels so good. So because I'm going to the village, I ordered this from in-store. In-store is a Chennai-based store. They have a lot of ethnic wear. This is a long maxi dress. You see that this is the usual fabric we use for blouses. So it's kind of that fabric. I really like this. And check out in-store. And also because after that I'm going for another trip. I got these from H&M. There was actually a sale going on, but I was pretty late. Like Black Friday sale got over, and there was just one rack which had like very few pieces. So I picked these from that one rack. But I think they usually have like good ones in that also. So I think these were like 500 or 600 each. I will show you guys like a detailed H&M haul along with Urbanic because I wanted to review Urbanic as well. So I'll show you guys those in a different video. But I just wanted to tell you guys H&M always has these like 1 or 2 racks and they have like good stuff. And if you are wearing plus size also you'll find something like this. So this one has a stretch and it's a big size. Like I think it's actually only large or XL, but it will fit up to like 3XL or 4XL also because of the elastic. So yeah, check out H&M. This is the situation. I'm gonna pack now. That is it for today's video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I also have a Telugu channel where I do videos in Telugu, so do subscribe to that channel as well. And I'll leave my Instagram handle right here. Do follow me there as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.